Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mikey, the little chef wannabe. It's time to put on my magic apron. Oh. Wow. Today we are going to cook special humba. Each of us has a different way of cooking humba. This is my way of cooking special humba. And here are the ingredients. Onion, garlic, 1 bay leaf, pork cube, pineapple juice, Tausi, brown sugar, olive oil, soy sauce, and vinegar, black peppercorn, and of course, the pork hock. I already slow cooked it earlier for 1.5 hours to make it tender. That looks yummy. I'm looking for a pata part, but there's no pata. So I have pork hock, and we're gonna slow cook it for around 1 hour to make the meat tender. And of course, the pork hock. I already slow cooked it earlier for 1.5 hours to make it tender. You heat the wok and put small oil. That should be enough. So guys, it's time to put on the onion. So guys, it's a bit brown now, the onion, so it's time to put on the garlic. I can smell now the onion and garlic. Yummy. It smells really good. It's time to put on the meat. Just put a bit of vinegar. You put the pineapple juice. You put the tausi or black bean sauce. put the brown sugar. And then you put the pepper. Guys, you can put the pork stuff in it. Guys, you can also put banana blossom, but we couldn't find it earlier at the shop. You put soy sauce. And then you put the pork stuff. Cover it. Tastes good. No need to put salt because the tulsi and soy sauce are very salty. This is my finished product. This is my special humba. Tastes good. Special humba. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's good with the rice, guys. Let's eat. Bon appetit.
This is special humba. It's so tender, it melts in your mouth.